The board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. What was yesterday, last class, last problem?
Number of three-digit numbers of the form XYZ.
Repeat it.
Number of three digits form of the form XYZ where X less than Y and Y greater than or equal to Z.
Any answer from your side?
276 answer.
What's your name? Wasil.
That's it.
Correct. Very good. Very good. Number of numbers in which second place is 2, third place 1, unit place can be 0, 1, 2. Total number 120, 121, 122. 3 numbers. 3 into 1. Next, to assign, if it's up y as 3, this can be 1, 2. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3. Total 4 numbers 130, 131, 132, 133, 230, 231, like that. Total numbers of this type will be 2 into 3 equals 6. Here it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total numbers 5 into 3 equals 15. So like that, 3 into 1, 2 into 3.
2 into 4 now, sir.
3 into 2, 3 into, sorry, 4 into 2.
Yes, sir. 4 into 2.
4 into 2, 8. 5 into 3, 15. Next will be 6 into 4. 7 into 5. Last one will be when y is 9.
N into n minus.
X can be 1, 2, 3 up to
8.
8. Z can be 0, 1, 2 up to 9. The total will be 10 into
10. 10 into 8.
8. 8. So if you add up all, three into 1, 3, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 3, 15, 6 into 4, 24, 7 into 5, 35, 8 into 6, 48, 9 into 7, 53, 10 into 8,
80.
80. Total 55, 56, 3. Just based on counting, these are total number of 3-digit numbers x, y, z, in which x less than y, and y greater than equal to z.
Z.
Now again come back to repeat selection and repetition. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Series well. So details I told you earlier in biology below. Same thing will be here. N plus R minus 1 here. We already have used it. Binomial theorem, we already have used it. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
x1 plus x2 plus x3, just I am repeating, plus 10 is equal to xi. I will know this number of non-negative integral functions. Integral solution equals coefficient of x to the power 10 in as I already have told you in binomial, the first series is corresponding to first variable x1. These exponents are possible values of x1. Second series is corresponding to second variable x2. Exponents of x are possible values of x2. Third series is corresponding to third variable. Exponents are possible values of x3. And corresponding to each x to the power 10, say x to the power 8 here. If you multiply these three terms, x power 8, you will get x power 10. So
Yes,
corresponding to this x power 10, the solutions are x1 is 1, x2 is 1, x3 is 8. So corresponding to each x to the power 10, there will be a solution. As many x to the power 10 will appear in the product, that many solutions will be there. So that's why the number of solutions will be same as coefficient of x to the power 10. We already have discussed it. I'm telling you again. Now, whenever we can take infinite series, we will take infinite series because the coefficients of x to the power 10 will remain. The calculation will be simple. X is dummy variable. We don't bother about value of x. Okay, and if we take x to the power 11 and multiply this x to the power 11 with any of the terms here or here, it won't give x to the power 10. So in each series we can take infinite series because the coefficient of x to the power 10 will remain unchanged. Okay, so it's same as coefficient of x to the power 10 in, and writing x to the power 0 as 1. And taking infinite series. If we can take infinite series, we will take infinite series because the calculation becomes simple. But all the time we can't take infinite series that is equal to 10 plus 3 minus 1, 12c10. 12c2. The number of non-negative integral solutions of this mathematical model will be 12c2. 61. Understood? Now, where we can apply in PNC? Come to that point. Yes, Saidur Rahman, any doubt?
No, sir.
My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Sir, audible, sir.
Yeah, now it's okay. Saidur Rahman,
Yes, sir.
did I send you any message to you in the last class? Sorry, in the last day yesterday?
No, sir, I haven't checked WhatsApp. I will check, sir.
Oh. Okay. 12C2, that is 132 by 2, 66. Now, I've written here selection in repetition series method when some of the objects are identical. These many objects are identical among themselves, identical among themselves, identical among themselves. And we want to select some of the objects. Then we can apply this method. For example, let us take the previous question parallel. But for this question, whatever method we have discussed, that is better. For this type of question, the method we already have discussed, that is better. Here, just I will show you where we can apply this method. How many P's are there here? One R, one E,
One.
one A, two L,
Three.
3. So whenever some of the objects are identical, then we will apply this method. Just let us think of, let x1 be the number of P's selected. How many alphabets we want to select at a time? Just look at the question, 4 or 5? Tell me how many alphabets we need to select at a time from this word at a time?
Sir, all at a time.
Huh?
Sorry, sir, 5 at a time. 5 at a time.
Five at a time. Shall I rub it?
Sir, 1 minute, please.
Right, sir.
I have taken the same question just to visualize where we can apply this series method. But particularly for this question, this type of question, the method we have discussed, that is better.
Done, sir.
So number of ways we can select 4 alphabets from the word parallel. Here x1 is number of P's selected. What is x1? In short I am writing it. What is x1 here? We are selecting 5 at a time. In that selection, x1 is number of P's selected.
Yes, sir.
Number of P's selected. X2 is number of R selected. X3 number of P's selected. X4, number of A's selected. X5, number of L's selected. Okay. So that's why X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 plus X5 must be 5. And because at a time we need to select 5. So number of solutions of this mathematical model will be the number of ways of selecting 5 alphabets from this. Now, number of solutions number of ways, I'm writing each and every one, number of ways of selecting five alphabets, 5 letters equal to number of solutions of this mathematical model. Equals coefficient of x to the power 5 in corresponding to first variable. Possible values are 0 and 1. X to the power 0 plus x to the power 1 whole cube. Corresponding to x1, x2, x3, the same series will be there. Possible values of x1 either 0 or 1. x4, x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x5, x to the power 2 plus x cube. Okay. Now the series is complete. Now let us think of whether we can take infinite series or not. If you write here x to the power 4, next term is x to the power 4. If you write here x to the power 4, multiply this x to the power 4 with x to the power 1, x to the power 0, we'll get x to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
So if we take extra term, the coefficient of x to the power 5 will be disturbed. So here we can't take infinite series. Here we can't take
Infinite series.
infinite series. The region is clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Hmm.
why we are not taking the infinite series, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Pardon?
why not taking infinite series, sir?
See, we need coefficient of x to the power 5 and we don't bother anything else, the value of x or extra. So just after x cube, what is the next term will come if you take infinite series?
X power 4.
X to the power 4. Now multiply this x to the power 4 with x to the power 1. We will get x to the power 5. And this term with x to the power 0. We will get x to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
So if you take infinite series, this x5 cannot be 4. But this into this we will get the term involving x to the power 5. So if you take extra term, here whatever will be the coefficient of x to the power 5, and after taking extra term,
Change.
the coefficient of x to the power 5 will be changed.
Yes, sir.
So here we can't take infinite series. Coefficient of x to the power 5 in 1 plus x whole cube into 1 minus x cube by 1 minus x GP 1 minus x to the power 4 by 1 minus x. See the difference here. We need to do some calculation, but in previous case, if you took infinite series, calculation is simple. Binomially, now one thing, we don't need to remember any formula a plus b whole cube or a plus b a minus b whole cube. Simply apply binomial. 3c0 plus 3c1 into x plus 3c2 into x square. We don't need to remember any formula now after studying binomial theorem. Apply expanding it
Yes, sir.
binomially. Since 1 minus x to the power minus 2, this coefficient we can calculate easily. Now multiplying and neglecting the term having exponent more than 5.
It's perfect. Yes.
Multiply and neglecting the terms involving exponent more than 5. Keep multiplying, neglecting the term having exponent more than 5, because that term, if you multiply any term with any other term, it won't give x to the power 5. We bother only about coefficient of x to the power 5. Okay. Once you write it, I'm rubbing it. This part shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiply it. Coefficient of x to the power 5 in with 1. One plus 3x with x cube minus 3x to the power 5 with x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 5 into cube. Now we can calculate. See, if you expand it, all the terms will be positive. We have seen in binomial theorem. Okay, 1 plus 2x plus 4x square, so on like that. So with 1, if you multiply some term here with 1, the term which have x to the power 5, that will give us x to the power 5. Expand it. The term which will give us 1 plus 2x plus 4x square and so on. So x to the power 5, what will be the coefficient of x to the power 5 here? Here 1 into, multiplying with this. What will be the coefficient of x to the power 5? 5 plus 2 minus 1. 65.
Yes, sir.
We want x to the power 5, multiplying with 1. 5 plus 2 minus 1, C5. With this, we already have x. Here we already have x. Which term here will, after multiplication, will give us x to the power 5?
Or 4.
The term which contains x to the power 4.
Yes, sir.
What will be the coefficient of x to the power 4? 4 plus 2 minus 1, C4. 5C4
FC4.
plus 3. We already have x square. Which term? The
X
term
cube.
which contains cube with this product will give us x to the power 5. So we want 3.
3.
3 plus 2 minus 1. 4C3
Yes, sir.
minus 4 into 4 is there. We want 1.
X.
1 plus 2 minus 1. C1.
3.
2C1 minus 6. Only 6? 6 into 1?
Yes, sir.
15, 12. So 12 plus 15, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 minus 14, 8. ठीक है, एक बार देखा कैलकुलेशन कहीं गड़बड़ तो नहीं हुआ? 5C3, 5C4, 515, 21, 21 plus 12, 33, 33 minus 14. कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ। फोर है या 3, 5 है या 4 है, एक बार चेक करो।
1 there will get 1 3x plus 3x square.
हाँ,
2 times we will get multiplication.
2 times
We will get 1 plus 3x square plus x cube.
1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube. हाँ,
There was only one time there, no, sir.
x cube.
Yes, all those terms, sir.
One time. After that, you multiply with this one, x cube with this.
Sir.
Minus x cube minus 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus x,
4 minus 3. Yes, sir.
5
Same only you are getting, sir.
minus 3x to the power 5, that is correct. No, my doubt is whether we want 4 at a time or 5 at a time. Let me check. देखो, previously we got 22 answer because 4 at a time. Check it. सारा गड़बड़ करके रख दिया. इशाक,
minute, sir.
Sir,
earlier also we did the same question. In that it was taken 4 at a time or 5 at a time. Check it.
4 at a time, sir.
4 at a time. Here we have done taking
5 at a time.
5 at a time. Let us count it. Uh, P R E is L 3. So taking all 5 at a time. 5C5 plus taking 5 at a time. 2 is 3 distinct. So 4C3, 2 is 4, sorry, 2 is 2 distinct. 3, because we are taking 5 at a time. 2 is 3 distinct, 2 else 3 distinct over 3 else 2 distinct, 4C2, 2 is 2 else 1 distinct, 2 else 2 is 2 else 1 distinct, 3C1, 3 else 2 is 1. Check it, कितना हुआ ये? 12, 13. कोई केस मिस हो रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
हाँ? 5C5 plus 4C3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 3. सारा लिखना पड़ेगा.
20 आ रहा सर.
ये 20 आ रहा है?
जी सर.
सारा लिखना है. ये तो ठीक है ना 19?
Yes, sir.
Has to come same. एक बार लिख रहा हूँ, एक बार मैं इसको ये shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
ये 5-4 लेकर के गड़बड़ करा. Just purpose was not to solve this question, just to make you visualize where we can apply. So all 5 distinct. We have 5 alphabets, 5 at a time. 1, 2 A's, 3 distinct. 2 A's one way, 4C3, 2 L's, 3 distinct, 4C3, 3 L's, 1 distinct,
Distinct.
3 L's, 2 distinct, 4C2, and 2 L's, 2 A's, 1 distinct,
3C1.
3C1. That's it. 4, 4, 6, 3. और कोई केस बचा? एक मिनट. 2 else, 2 A's, 1 distinct. और 3 else, 2 A's, 3 else, 2 A's, 1 way. How much?
19.
19. Same. Just to visualize where we can apply this series method. When some of the objects are identical of one kind, means like x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 10. x1 of the number of objects selected which are identical of one kind, x2 identical of other kind, x3 identical of third kind, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, do we have principle of inclusion and exclusion and distribution of objects tomorrow, sir?
No. Many things are left. Set theoretic methods, inclusion, exclusion, groups, distribution. Even this also will not be there. Simple
Yes,
based
sir.
on P and C. If you go to previous year's question, most of the questions, good questions will be based on counting. Fundamental
sir.
method. Just write down question. The number of ways of distributing 8 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes. Shall I write it?
Yes, sir.
The number of ways of distributing number of ways of distributing 8 identical boxes, 8 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes Number of ways of distributing each identical balls in 3 distinct boxes so that so that no box remains empty. Hmm. See, here balls are identical. If balls are distinct, then simply it is onto function from balls to boxes. If balls are distinct, then how to distribute? This is simply onto functions from balls to boxes. So onto I have not told you still. So here balls are identical. So let x1 be the number of balls in first box. Think of it that way. X1 be number of balls in first box. X2 number of balls in second box. X3 number of balls in third box. What are the lower limit of xi? 1. What will be the upper limit? Whenever you assign lower limit, give the upper limit. No, lower limit is 1, no box is empty.
Yes, sir.
And what will be the upper limit? You assign lower limit to this 1, 1.
Six.
How much?
6.
6. How to find the upper limit? To assign upper limit, just assign minimum this, minimum to this, minimum to this. So upper limit of all xi's will be 6, lower limit is 1. Now number of non-negative integral solutions of this, pick up any solution corresponding to that solution. There will be a way to distribute these 8 balls. Just find number of solutions. You write in short, what is x1? Number of balls in
Box 1.
Box
first
1.
box. In the side you write it.
Sir, I did not get this, sir. 1 less than xi less than or equal to 6. 1 we
one?
should take for x1. Then I did not understand. Yes, sir, this one.
6, no?
Yes, sir, I
6
did
or
not
1?
understand. 1 I understood, sir, because no box should be empty.
Empty. Now, whenever you assign, what can be maximum to, how many balls can be, maximum balls can be in first box?
6.
X2 has to get minimum 1 ball.
Yes, sir.
X3 has to get minimum 1 ball. 1 ball here, 1 ball here. So maximum how many we can put in first box? 6.
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
So whenever we assign maximum, just give minimum to other variables. Give minimum to
Other variables.
other variables.
Got it, sir.
Can we use infinite series here, sir?
No, I have to check whether we can take infinite series or not. You just think of first by your own.
Yes, sir.
The
Sir, you
answer is 21.
Okay,
Just think over. In the next class, we'll continue. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir. 21 got it.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.